Hey, hello, welcome back. So we already created a distribution profile and previously we created a development profile. So using this profile, we can actually distribute the app directly connected with the development machine. And for the distribution profile, we can actually distribute the IPA to any IPA distribution platform such as TestFlight. So we're gonna go that part, but before that, I just want to share a recap of how things are going. So this tutorial is just a recap how things actually works. So very first thing is that we created a CSR certificate signing request from our keychain to create certificate like development certificate and distribution certificate. But if we install the development and distribution certificate, if we miss another intermediate certificate which Apple's provide, then we will have some kind of issues in our keychain saying that this certificate, the development or the distribution certificate is not trusted. So for that we need this intermediate certificate, and we can actually find it from the certificate. Whenever we want to create another certificate, just scroll down and you will find this certificate here. So pretty simple and straightforward. Okay, now once we have created the certificate, we need to add devices which can be also for development purpose and which can also be for distribution purpose, like someone who is not has access to the development machine, who lives in another place. For that we need to distribute the IPA to his mobile or his iPad. So for that we need to add his device ID on our device list here. Okay, now once we have the device list, certificates and an app ID, so now it is time for us to create provisioning profile. The development provisioning profile will be using development certificate to distribute the app in the devices which is connected to the developer machine. The important thing is that it is only usable when that iPhone or iPad is connected with the development machine. Otherwise, it is not usable to distribute the app. Now, if we wanted to distribute the app over the year, we don't want to have a physical connection with the Mac, then we're gonna use the distribution profile. So once we have installed the distribution profile and the certificate and other stuffs, then we can actually distribute the IPA, which is the iPhone application, to any OTA platform such as TestFlight to distribute the IPA. So pretty much it. So make sure you have installed the certificate, all the development and distribution certificate, and even the intermediate certificate, and also the provisioning profiles. So once you have done it, you are ready to go. Okay, so I think now we are ready to go. So stay tuned.